Are we live? Just a sec. Yeah, I think we are live. Yeah, we are live. Hello everyone and welcome back to my stream. If you are new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma and I'm trying to build my SaaS using Stack, and this is day 12 of that. So if you enjoy this stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. So let's get started now. Lokesh B, bro, came early today. Let's go. Hello Lokesh, welcome back to my stream, brother. Atom meets Bit2. Hello Bit2, welcome to my stream. How are you? CD backend, npm run dev. Not this one, not this one, not this one. I need to name the terminals properly. Name it backend, front end, emd, front end. Okay. So Anish Sharma, hello Anish, welcome to my stream. भैया ये कितने दिन में हो जाएगा? Hopefully 1 or 2 weeks में हो जाना चाहिए MVP version. Bit2. Okay. So first we start the Docker engine. लोकेश भी. सो आफ्टर फ्रंट एंड के बाद पेमेंट गेटवे वर्क स्टार्ट हो गया. देन उसके बाद इसके बाद फ्रंट एंड के बाद पेमेंट गेटवे इंटीग्रेट करेंगे. उसके बाद वी लॉन्च इट, और इफ इट नीड्स मोर इम्प्रूवमेंट्स विल कीप मेकिंग मोर इम्प्रूवमेंट्स अनलेस एंड अंटिल इट इज रेडी फॉर लॉन्च. श्रीकांत नायक, हेलो श्रीकांत, वेलकम टू माय स्ट्रीम. हाउ आर यू? एंड cd backend, cmd. And guys, do let me know if my audio is clear and the stream is lagging or anything. Do let me know. Anish Sharma, look bhaiya, I do full stack man and also make projects. So now what I do now? Okay, so if you have built projects, deploy them, and like your project should be like products. Like anybody who looks at your project, it should feel like a end-to-end product. Then you can start applying. If you have deployed it, you can start applying to different companies. Okay, Pheronix, इतना जल्दी कहाँ से आ गया? आज डिनर जल्दी हो गया तो मैं आ गया. लोकेश बीट्स क्लियर. ऑलराइट, थैंक्स लोकेश, थैंक्स फॉर लेटिंग मी नो. सो docker ps, docker stop, redis, this one. Okay, docker start redis server. Okay, npm run dev, also npm run worker dev, and here cd frontend npm run dev. Okay, Shrikant, UI UX also on SaaS, right? Yes, we'll build the UI UX also. We are right now we are doing that only. So now if I go here and if I see localhost 3000, fine. And here, do we have anything? Okay. And if I go to register, test user3@gmail.com. No, not here. I mean, I need to go to login. Login. What is the issue? Hydration issue, I think. Okay. test user 2 3 at the rate gmail.com, test user 3 login, test user 6 at the rate gmail.com, test test user 6 login. It's happening now. It's happening. Working front end issue. What is the issue? Network login. अरे हटो ना भाई, सजेशन नहीं चाहिए अभी. टेस्ट यूज़र 3 एट द रेट gmail.com, टेस्ट यूज़र test user 3. Course error. Now we are getting course error. Means seriously, yesterday we were not getting the course error. Origin. Okay. Local is 3000. 517. Okay. 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 Change few things. Just a sec, guys. Just a minute. So in .env backend course origins. Where is it getting that? 1000. Okay. This is fine. This is fine. Here also it is fine. Then where is it getting 5173? Doesn't it has a value of localhost 5173. Just a sec, okay. Now if I come here, hello bro. Free deployment is better for example Vercel, Render, GitHub or Cloudflare. Free deployment Vercel is fine. Deepak Kanpal, hi bro. Hello Deepak, welcome to the stream. Anish Sharma, Bhaiya, I applied to company this week and but for learning new things, what should I learn from this AI things? I learn how to integrate LLMs in your applications, like how to use OpenAI APIs in your application or Gemini APIs in your application. Prince Rajput, hello Prince, welcome to my stream. Tomorrow I have an interview for Merge Stack developer, OTT platform based like Netflix. Guide me, please, bro. My first suggestion would be whatever you have mentioned in a resume, make sure you know those things really well. Shrikant, well, you do it on Figma. No, I do it on Excalidraw. I draw wireframe on Excalidraw. Pheronix, before if you throw a stone in crowd, it will hit an engineer. Okay. Now if you throw a stone in crowd, it will hit a Monstack developer. Okay. So this and so and here. Now if I localhost 3000 register. Okay. Admin. Neeraj, great buddy, keep it up. God bless you. Thank you, Neeraj. Pheronix, भाई बुरा मत माना, just a joke है Pheronix. Rohit, hello Rohit, welcome to my stream. SaaS is software as a service. Okay, so we have let's create one more user here. Let's user user 8 gmail.com test user 8. Go here, network, register, course error. At this from origin this has been blocked by course policy. Response to pre-flight request doesn't pass control. The access control allow origin header has a value. Role of 517 not equal to supplied origin. Dot okay, this is this. App Axios. Here, okay. Okay, find here 5173. Anywhere in this code. Okay. What is the software name of live streaming? OBS software. Ashish Sharma. Bhaiya, I am done with agentic AI using LangGraph and LangChain, Gen AI. But tell me what is enough and go to revision for doing make what? Bhaiya, I am done with agentic AI using LangGraph and LangChain, Gen AI. But tell me which it is if enough and go to revision for or may or doing making make new projects and learn new topics. This is my code. इसमें नया issue आ रहा है. There's something fundamentally wrong with Next.js internally somewhere. I don't know. I have this intuition inside me. Oops. 170 from this entire code base. How we are getting it? Okay, let's do one thing. Window. Let's 1000. Go to register. Go to login. Test user 6 at the rate gmail.com test user 6 login. Okay, so now if I go to my API lib API auth yes. Here network test user rate gmail.com test user 2 login error request to agent local force on API service or login payload review response. Okay, backend src uh, app.ts course origins. Okay, course origins, close this. Course origins also, course origins, and if I go to .env here, course origins, course host 3000. Fine, this is done. Okay, this is done. And in frontend.env, a local host 4000, next public backend API URL. This, and here in my app, Axios.ts, next public backend API URL. Okay, fine, this is okay. This is my code, backend src. Clip link, bro. I want to make AI startup, and I am presuming BTech second sem right now. What things should I have to learn to make fully functional AI startup from scratch? First, you should learn one tech stack properly. Then you can proceed. See, yes, app.ts. Just a sec. And we then backend dot env. We have this. Then here in frontend src, backend frontend dot env, front end slash dot env. This is done. Then here we have lib axios.ts, axios.ts. We have this. Then we have auth token.ts. We have these, and then in redux hooks.ts, then hooks.ts, store.ts. Store is also done. Slices, auth slice.ts, done. This is done. Auth slice done. Redux done. Done. API done. Lib done. And then we have app auth login page. Then here we have page.tsx. I got this error. Hold on, if I go here, login, test user user 6 at the rate gmail.com, test user 6, and if I click on login, okay, I got this error. auth.ts. Auth. Once you okay, your backend is allowing this, but your frontend is this. So the browser blocks request. Your backend is this. Error says, mhm, okay. Uh-huh. Almost okay, this is done. src app.ts course origins and mhm, and what will happen. Mhm. English content. Hello, English content. Welcome to my stream. Bro, why don't use stack query? As I see your app contain most of the server side state and can use query. My client said, okay, I'll try that. I'll try to use that. Tap Fusion. Hello, Tap Fusion. Welcome back to the stream. Hello, why do you know Gamer Fleet? He is also doing challenge of playing Minecraft for 25 hours. I don't know Gamer Fleet. Attorney, hello, Attorney. Welcome to the stream. What's the progress? We are working on the front end now. Only short. Bro, what the age? My age is 25. परसों नहीं आए थे हाँ मैं नहीं आया था परसों को प्लीज टेल एनीवन ओके name please cat pacino the name of the theme is cat pacino I'm 25 years old 18 एज है भाई की जो कोडर है नहीं मैं 25 years आई एम 25 years old the name of the VS code is cat pacino okay we're getting this only. Source origin, we're getting this only. Welcome. Only short. Bro, can I talk with you? Me too. Okay, I want to talk about the SaaS. Can you join with me? Like I'll join later. Right now I'm trying to build Atharva, Python, TypeScript. I am learning backend development Node.js. It has the future and money. Okay. Okay. Docker stop, Redis server, Docker start, Redis server, cd backend, npm run dev, cd frontend, npm run dev, cd backend, npm run worker dev, dev. Okay. Okay. Now if I come here, close this. What happened here? What happened here? Test user 2 rate. Yeah, now we're getting it. This is a Next.js issue. Like I solved it, but it is very disappointing. This Next.js. So we're getting this, and if I go to application to local storage, uh, delete this, delete this. Okay. So this is done. Fine, we have solved this issue. Now if I come to my backend src, holy shit, I'm full stack developer at the age of 80. I'm doing backend level. Oh, that's great. Focused app. No money until you are very good, bro. True. So we have this site or register page. Okay. And we have components as well. Now we'll create a new folder as register register page register page components. Register form dot tsx rafce. Fine. Now let's go. This is my code. Now first we have here register form. Register form dot tsx. This is my register slash page dot tsx. This is done. Then after this I have this providers dot tsx. Then I have providers. Then we have hooks. User auth init dot ps. User auth init dot ps. Auth token dot ts. Axios dot ts. This is not required. We have added an auth. We have validation slash auth dot ts slash auth dot ts. Then we have API slash lib slash API slash ts. I want to create a good and responsive register user form. The UI should look clean and aesthetic. Fine. Use Shard CN and Tailwind CSS. Okay. Write the component in a production level code and structure. Let's see what we get. Attorney, what's your take on Big Studio? Like it's good for building e-commerce applications, simple e-commerce applications. Okay, register form. Okay, then register page, components, forms, register form, fine. Okay. The complete, the Compton Clover. Hello, Compton Clover. Welcome to the stream. Can you show us the front end, like what has been, right? Currently, I'm building the front end. Sargun Bhatia. Hello, Sargun. Welcome to my stream. How can you code on own without use of AI? Tell me how I can able to code with full dependent of AI. See, I use AI only for refactoring or finding errors or getting some suggestions, and I write the code myself. USA AI. Hello USA AI. Welcome to my stream. Hello brother. मैं थर्ड ईयर में हूँ एंड मुझे क्लैरिटी नहीं है आई मीन मैं हमेशा जंप करता हूँ इस लैंग्वेज से डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज कैसे खुद को स्टिक करूँ you have to find what your interest is. For example, if your interest is AI ML, go with Python. If you're interested in web development, go with TypeScript. Koshish. Hello Koshish, welcome to my stream. Bro, can I have overview on multi-tenant architecture which I learned today? I think it's a little complex. Yeah, multi-tenant architecture is basically you have to create this SaaS that I'm building. It has a multi-tenant feature. Atharva, which language should I start to code as a beginner? I would suggest go with Python or JavaScript. Eternity, less hard work and easy money, I assume. Not a very big fan of Wix. See, people who use Wix, they don't care about the code. They want to make money from e-commerce. So they just want to build anything, like build something faster. So that's why they choose Wix. विराज अभिषेक भाई कैसे हो मैं ठीक हूँ विराज तुम कैसे हो ओके so let's do one thing. Close this. Front end. Then go to app. We have components. Let's create a new component as forms and forms and register form.tsx. Delete this. Then inside this form, let's have our register form.tsx. Okay, it's a page. Okay, and inside this register have this page. Fine. So first let's work with this refce, and in this page refce have this, and here simply return register form. This is done. Now we have register form, right? Register form is here. Now let's build this register form. Okay, dispatch use app the router on submit await dispatch register thunk unwrap. Okay, catch. Fine. Okay, let's do this. First we need const dispatch equals use app dispatch here. Then const router equals use router from next router. I think router next navigation. Yep, that's the issue, not from here. Const register equals use form react hook form register user form data we have all of this. Then register, then we have handle submit, and then we have form state. Here we have errors, comma, is submitting. Fine. We have this is submitting also, use form, this is done. Then here we need the resolver. Then from this resolver, Zod resolver, hook form resolvers, Zod resolver, where is it? Hook form resolver Zod. Okay, we have this resolver, and then we have register schema, right? Done. Then let's create the on submit function. Const on submit what we want. Viraj, which mouse do you use, Abhishek bhai, and which laptop? Laptop is 15x, HP 15x, and mouse is called Bestor, I think. Bestor. Saurav Mishra, yo, hello Saurav, welcome to the stream. S Anish, hello S Anish, welcome to the stream. The Clover, are you building the front end or back end first? I have built my back end. I first built the back end. Now I'm working on the front end. Sargun, how you learn coding? I'm impressed. In world of AI, you are writing code on own. See, the thing is that I take help from AI just to give me suggestion and give me the code structure, and then I code it myself, because if I understand the code structure, then I know what I need to build and how to build it. So I just take help from AI to give me the code structure basically. And I still now I don't use any AI IDEs. Maybe in future I'll use, but not now. Clipping, hello Clipping, welcome to my stream. Bhai, be calm and explain how to make AI startup from scratch. What things to learn to make it, please explain deeply and calm. Okay, so first thing is that you have to pick one good tech stack. Maybe you can go with MERN stack, or if you are interested in Python, you can go with Django and React, or if you are interested in Spring Boot, you can go with Java and Spring Boot, right? So you have to pick one good tech stack, because even if you want to build an AI startup, to make that startup available for people to use, you need a web application or mobile app, right? So that so that people can use it. So in order to make that web app and a mobile app, you need to be familiar with a good tech stack. That is your first thing. Second thing is that if you want to build an AI startup, there are two parts. Either you want to build a startup that's a wraparound on ChatGPT, or you want to build a startup that actually contributes to AI. Maybe you want to build your own LLM. Maybe you want to build your own something related to AI in deeply, right? These are the two parts. First, either you will get you will build a SaaS that's a wrapper over ChatGPT or any other LLM, or you will try to build something on your own, right? So you have to pick that part. And if you want to build a SaaS that is wrapper around GPT, then you have to learn Gen AI with your tech stack. Like whatever tech stack you chose, you have to learn how to integrate Gen AI in that. And if you want to go into building something like contributing to AI, then you have to learn deep learning and all those things. Okay. Basha, hello Basha, welcome to the stream. Are you using Next in front end building? Yes, I'm using Next.js. Viraj, okay. Koshish, I'm intermediate at Django, and I switched from Django and I started learning TypeScript from last month. And I skipped Express, like I did basics, but then jumped into TypeScript. So will there be any issue? I will suggest you first try to learn JavaScript properly, and then learn MERN stack properly, then switch to TypeScript. Coder YouTuber, Abhishek, how are you? Hello Coder YouTuber, welcome back to my stream. How are you? I'm good. Hyper, hello Hyper, welcome to the stream. So first, to build this on submit, it's a async function, right? We have this async function here. We have this async function and this data. We have register user form data, register user form data. We build that, and then we have this try catch block. We have this, and in catch, what are we doing? Catch console.log error. Okay, console.log error. Fine. And here we have await dispatch register user thunk. We are passing the data, then we are doing unwrap. Hold on, what is this unwrap? Okay, we'll see. Unwrap does not exist anything. Okay, okay, unwrap is not required. Dispatch, then router dot push to slash dashboard. Right, this is what we're doing, and then this is the UI part. This UI part we can copy, I think. Hold on, this UI part, I just copy this UI part because just simple HTML and all those things. You can copy this and here put this like this. Fine. And we need to install these components in front end. We have these things. So first we need card label input. Okay, shad cn, then we have shad cn here. Sagar Singh, one more thing, bro. I am learning JS and I am confused about CSS because I am interested in both but feel stuck in CSS. See, CSS is vast. I understand how you feel, but you have to understand that you don't need to learn everything in CSS. Just learn how to center a div, what is flexbox, what is grid, all those things, and then you can move to Tailwind CSS. Atharva, I feel that I will forget concepts easily in future. What to do? See, this is very common. Even if I don't code for next 1 month, I might feel that okay, I might forget the syntax, right? But if you understand the flow, how a full stack application works and what is the flow of data in your full stack application, then you can, no matter which tech stack you can use Burn Stack, Django, Spring Boot, whatever you want to use. If you understand the flow of data in a web application, you can build it using any tech stack. S Anish, hello bro, hello S Anish, welcome to the stream. Clover, why don't you try any ICE like anti-gravity or Claude in terminal ID? Because I want better understanding of my code, and see, those things are very good, but the thing is that right now I'm trying to build a SaaS from ground up, and I don't want, if even if there's small error and if I'm not able to understand the code, I will have a lot of issues in solving the errors, right? So that's why if I understand the context of the code on my own, then I can solve the errors quickly. AIK, hi Val, hi bye, hello AIK, welcome to the stream. Koshish, learned JS, all the necessary things, and also learned MongoDB, how to build clusters and all those. Then I started TS. Okay, that's great. Flanking Gaming, hi bro, nice to see you. Hello Flanking Gaming, welcome back to the stream. Sagar Singh, hello Sagar, welcome back to the stream. One more thing, do I need to know what everything is doing, each function, each keyword, because it looks you have, for example, if you are working with Merge Stack, you have to be very good in JavaScript. Only you can understand the code. Coder YouTuber, Cats, welcome back Coder YouTuber, how are you? Eternity, I just feel good watching the stream. I have nothing to do with the full stack. I'm a cybersec guy. Okay, that's nice, Eternity. I'm glad that you're enjoying the stream. Coder YouTuber, okay. Yeah, guys, if you're enjoying the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel. So first we need components. Card, ABC, card. Okay, card, this is my card. Now let's see, what is the difference with this? No difference. Okay. Copy this, npm run card, npx card. Okay, so we got the card, then we need the label. Card, okay. Card. Hold on, first here let's fix this thing that I need it from component slash UI slash card. Okay, this is done. Now we need card header, then we need card title, then we need card description, card content, label, then we need label here, label. This is my label, and this is my label. And now if I get this label here, hold on, label, okay, not from here, slash component slash UI slash label, then we need input, we need this input, and here we'll paste it. Okay, so it is getting installed, fine. And here if I get this input, now I need it from input, where is it? Yeah, from here, slash component slash UI slash input. What else do I need? After input we need button. We have button, and button is coming from here. Hold on, button. Yeah, just I need to get it from a better place. Slash component slash UI slash button. This is done. And what is this loader to? Where is it coming from? What is loader to? Lucid React. Okay, fine. So now if I come here and npm run dev, now if I go here and we come here and I click on register, okay, we are importing a use router, depends on React server. Okay, use router, so it should be a client component. A register form, it has to be a client component here. And remove this, has to be a client component. Use client, let's see what we get. Yeah, okay, it is looking like this. This is fine. Okay, looking like this. We have two and register. Okay, too small, expected string to have greater than equal to 2 characters. Valid email address and 6 characters long. Okay, fine. Okay, we have to change the font also. Just a sec, guys. Okay, Sagar Singh. Because I am worried, if I complete focus on backend, I won't be able to display what I built. That's why I came to you to clear my doubts. And thanks, brother. Welcome, Sagar. See, I understand that because right now full stack developer is in demand, right? And for see, UI part is comparatively easy as compared to backend. Charu, hello Charu, welcome to my stream. These days, many vibe coders come to interviews, but they fail even the basic rounds because they don't have fundamental knowledge. You should be in a way for you to understand what you wrote. Agree, I agree with Charu. Charu Waka, well said. Coder YouTuber. Abhi, do you like cats or dogs? I like cats. Okay, he likes dinosaur. Okay. Basha, why are we using ShatCN here? We are using ShatCN for this UI components, the stylized UI components. That's why. Okay. Koshish, bro, are you in jobs or freelancing or full time for your SaaS? Koshish, I had a job. I left my job recently, and I do freelancing, and work on my SaaS. That's it. Fine. This is it. This looks better. It's not bad. Now let's build the uh, login, and let's build the login form.tsx. Copy this only, just we have to make a few changes. this will be register form. This will be login form, and come here, this will be your login form. Then here we have handle submit form. Okay, this will be register user form data. This will be login user form data. Login user form data. Then we have login user login schema. Login schema. This is done. Then here we have login user form data. Login the form data, and this will be register user thunk. This will be login user thunk. This will be login user thunk. Okay, this is done. Log into your account. This we have login to your account. Fine. Enter your details to enter your credentials to login. Enter your credentials to login. Enter your credentials to login. There we go. And we don't need this name part. Remove this name part. This is not required. We just need the email and the password part. Fine. Here we have login, and here we have logging you in. 1 2 3. Fine. Okay, already have an account. Don't have an account. Don't have an account. And here will be router to register, and it will be here create account. Fine. This is done, and login, and here we have this page. Remove this RAFCE, and here we'll have a login form. We have this. Fine. Just a sec. Where is it? Where did it go? Where did it go? Here. We have this here. अरे भाई ये नहीं चाहिए. Okay, refresh it. We have this login to your account, and invalid email address, password cannot be empty. Very good. And this thing, and here we need, okay, now we can improve it better. We can make some improvements. Hold on. So Clover, you have kept. What have I kept? Ring. Hello Ring, welcome to my stream. Sir, I am learning Python and hardly stuck init and self. Actually, dash init, if you are going with classes and objects, init is usually used as constructor in Python, and self is like, if you know this keyword in JavaScript, it's like this keyword only. It points to the object of the same class. Okay. Const register needs to be fixed. Where? Okay, Adi. Hello Adil, welcome to the stream. Adil, सर हैकर रैंक पे चैट जीपीटी से कॉपी पेस्ट कर सकते हैं. मेरा जेपीएमसी सीएफजी का फर्स्ट राउंड ओए है. कर तो सकते हैं, लाइक कोड पास हो गया तो चलेगा. ERY, hello ERY, welcome to the stream. Did you study computer science? Yes, I studied information technology as I did BTech in information technology. So this is done, and just a sec, I need to make a few more improvements. First, if I do this, for example, test user, okay, test user at the rate test user 6 at the rate gmail.com, and we have test user 6 logging you in. Okay, hold on, this is done. and we need to make the protected route. Okay, we'll do that. And create don't have an account, create account, fine. And here also password. So there we go. And login form, placeholder, login, password, input, placeholder. Let's see. And how do we get that symbol? Just a sec. Password, not this one. Circle, something like this. I think we use, right? No. Password, placeholder, dots. That's a Unicode. How can we get that? Let's see. Stack Overflow after a long time, buddy. Okay, how can we do that? Okay, copy this placeholder, try to add this. Now let's see. Yeah, something I wanted, something like this only. 1 2 3 4 5. One more. Fine. Okay, create account, password. Okay, and copy this thing, this entire thing, copy it. Login, register form, email, password, and here pass this here. Create account, login. Yeah, login, create account. Okay, name, enter your name, login form. आदिल सर, इट्स बिन अ मंथ आई डू DSA. उसके बाद एग्ज़ाम्स आ गए, फिर प्रोजेक्ट्स में बिजी हो गया. जो JPMC में टॉपिक आए सब में हो चुका है, बट मैंने बोला 1 मंथ हो गए हैं DSA करके एंड 3 दिन के बाद टेस्ट है. एनी गाइडेंस? मैं तो बोलूँगा कि अगर ऑनलाइन टेस्ट है तो यू कैन टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ दैट. एंड अभी 3 दिन में क्या ही बोलूँ, क्या ही कर लोगे. लाइक नया नया टॉपिक क्या आएगा आप नया, इससे अच्छा आपको जो आता है आप उसी को रिवाइज करो. कोशिश. Sir, how important is DSA? I hear people saying DSA is like everything. Without it, you won't be able to get into big tech companies. But I think DSA isn't actually used much in our code. Actually, see, DSA is like a filtering process. Lots of people apply to companies, so those companies need a filtering process, right? So that's why they keep a DSA around. And DSA is important, like just to crack interviews. To be very honest. And you can do it like you can do 1 or 2 questions every. You don't have to give 8 hours or 12 hours of DSA every single day. No, just do 1 or 2 questions every single day. Understand the topic. Understand, for example, if you're learning about bubble sort, understand the algorithm, implement it on your own, and try to solve questions on bubble sort. 1 or 2 questions every single day. That's how you understand the topic and you solve questions. Focus. DSA is just a filter. True. Eternity. DSA is used to check your problem solving skills. It has nothing to do with what role you are applying for. True. So like just to be separate from crowd. Yeah, Koshish, that's the thing. Focus DAF. I feel like DSA has nothing to do with problem solving mindset. Actually no, that is incorrect. DSA is like how fast you can understand a pattern in a question. Actually the highest form of intelligence is evaluating patterns in a particular thing, right? So for example, if you have done lots of questions on 2 pointers, right? So you will pick a pattern like, okay, if it's this kind of question I need to apply 2 pointer. So basically interviewer wants to see that kind of thing. If you are able to understand a question and pick a pattern like which algorithm you need to implement, if you are able to pick this thing, then you can crack DSA very easily. Okay, so this is done. Login. Okay, so now if I come here, close this, close this, close this, close this. Okay, so this is my code. So I agree, true. Okay, so this is my code. Login form.tsx. Make the UI slash UX better. Okay, this is, there we go. And dashboard app, dashboard page. It's my dashboard slash page.tsx, dashboard slash page.tsx. Then we have Redux. Where's my Redux? Hooks. My hooks.tx. Where is it? Hooks user, or this one? Hooks slash user auth init.ts slash auth init.ts. There we go. We have this. Then lib. This is not required. Auth token is required. Auth token.ts. Auth token.ts. Then axios.ts. Then okay, utils.ts is not required. This then API lib slash API slash auth.ts. Okay, this is done. Then we need Redux front end. Redux hooks need Redux slash hooks.ts. Then we have store.ts. Redux slash slices slash auth slice.ts. We have this part, right? And then we have front end app providers, my providers.tsx. Then this is my layout.tsx, layout.tsx. Fine. And now I want to protect the dashboard. If a user is not logged in, then it cannot access the dashboard, and it is automatically routed back to login page. That's what I need. Eternity DSA is used to check your problem solving. Okay. Okay. The problem right now in your this, okay, this is not real production. Use real dashboard. Production ID block rendering into auth is unknown. Dashboard page update. Okay, improved auth slice important. Right now is loading is always true initially, but never set properly on pending. Add this. Yes, fetch start. So full flow. Okay, pending, fulfilled, rejected. Optional working create protected route wrapper instead of repeating logic everywhere. Components, protected route, new dashboard. Fine, let's do this. So first, this is the issue. Copy this dashboard. This PSX. Mhm. This is done. Then improve or slice. Slices lib. Yeah. This slice. Where is it? Redux slices or slice. Fetch user fulfilled builder dot add case. Okay. Fulfilled, and we need to add a pending state. Okay. Builder dot add case. Builder dot add case, and here we need fetch user dot pending state dot is loading true. Okay, and here we have these things. It is correct. Okay, fine. This is done. Create a protected route wrapper. Components protected route. Okay, now front end components, we need a protected route. Protected route dot tsx. Protected route, we have these things. And what are we doing here? First we have this children we are passing. Okay, or use auth in it. Okay, fine. Okay, got it. Protected route done. Then dashboard, we written dashboard page. Where is my dashboard? Front end app dashboard page. Copy this, add this. Now let's see, we have this. Now if I go here as test user6@gmail.com and test user6, how to log in dashboard, and here if I go here application, we have this token and all these things. Now if I delete, and if I delete it, now if I go here, okay, nothing is here. We'll see. Go here, go to this, and now if I try to access dashboard, what the fuck is this? Abhishek Goswami. Hello Abhishek, welcome to my stream. All things can be made by GPT or self idea something. Yeah, we need GPT is like a junior developer. You have to tell it what it needs to do. Koshish, sir, did you modify your GPT? No. Sunil, hello Sunil, welcome to the stream. Koshish, like you are getting answers in points, I'm getting in long text. Actually, I tell GPT to give me answers in points. Autoplot, hello bro, hello Autoplot, welcome to my stream. AIK, check out Sagar Singh. He is building Project Faith, the first emotional intelligent AI he's working on. So, okay, that's nice. Abhi, do you watch K drama or C drama or Bollywood? Actually, I don't watch anything. I don't watch movies. I don't watch series. I don't watch anything. Okay. Okay. This is my code. Login form. Okay. Login form.tsx. dashboard slash page.tsx auth slice.tsx ts protected route.tsx. Right now, if I access dashboard, it just shows loading. Dashboard without logging in, it just shows loading, but it doesn't protects the route. And the user is not redirected back to login. Good reproduction, but the reason your infinite loading is subtle, very common. Your only runs. More than it, okay. Dispatch rejected. Add set or result action. Give me the full code. Auto plot, same I too. Okay, Khushi, hello Khushi, welcome to my stream. Hi, is front end done? Waiting for you to show it. Actually, yeah, front end we are building right now. The just a sec. Basically, this we have built the login register and the login page. Like it is still left. We are working on it right now. Okay, auth slice final. Let's see, comment it. I hope it shows no error. Okay, no error. Fine. Auth init fixed. Use auth init. Where is it? Hooks. Use auth init. Okay, this is also done. Protected route. Protected route. Is also done. Then dashboard page. Dashboard page. Done. Optional but redirect if already logged in. Improve. Okay, add this. Now let's see. Now if I go here and I try to access the dashboard. Okay, yeah, see now it is working. I'm not logged in, so I'm not able to access the dashboard. Okay, so now if I log in, test user6@gmail.com, test user6. Now if I log in, I'm in the dashboard. Now if I refresh, I'm in the dashboard, and yeah, this is fine. Okay, so this is fine. Also not logged in. Okay, Abhinav, hello Abhinav, welcome to my stream. My best resource on YouTube for backend Node Express MongoDB. Chai or Code YouTube channel, Code YouTuber. Such a boring life. Only eat, sleep, code, no outside connection. Yeah, actually I go to gym. I lift weights. Flanking gaming. Today, what are you doing? Today we are building on the building the UI part for logging and register part. What What is the issue? I think hydration issue. Yeah, hydration issue suppression, we can ignore it. Okay. Koshish, okay, I think you can start from code with Harry 100 is a Python challenge. Okay. Kushi, did you implement two-factor authentication? Not yet. Atharva. Okay, Koshish. But for other videos, I actually don't recommend code with Harry, but for Python, I do. Okay. Abhishek Goswami, what is your qualification? I'm curious to know any job. I used to have a job. I left my job. I worked as a Spring Boot developer in an MNC. Then I left my job, and now I'm trying to build my SaaS. So this we are doing, and now we can work on the UI part. Aram se close it, close it, close it, close it, close it, and here. Now this thing, new chat. This is my code. Front end, components, forms, login form, and slices. Where's my slice? Redux, slices, or slice. We can just, I can remove this thing. Fetch current user. So logout reducer, okay, and no token. Dot loading, okay. This is done. Fetch user lifecycle. So we have built a user's lifecycle: pending, fulfilled, or rejected. Okay. This is done. Done this. Okay. Darshan, hello Darshan, welcome to my stream. You use Zod for validation? Yes, I use Zod. Leo, hello Abhishek, hello Leo, welcome back to my stream. Khushi, what is your tech stack? My tech stack is Postgres, Express, Next.js, Node.js, and for database, Postgres, and for validation, it's Zod. Autoprod, do you do freelancing? Yes, I do. Khushi, and how do you plan your idea? I basically first I do market research, like what kind of SaaS that I want to do. Then I do market research, then I see if there are any competitors, and if there's a competitor, then I try to understand what they have done and try to make it better. That's it. Abhishek Goswami, sir, I'm second year BTech electrical engineering student, okay, and learning front end and back end as well. So could you tell me exactly the pathway and learning front end, back end? Okay, so what tech stack did you choose for back end? Like, can you tell me your tech stack? Just curious, what is your main earning source? My main earning source is right now is freelancing, and I also take one-on-one call. Like if anybody is interested to get my dedicated guidance and their goal is to get a job, or if they want to build their own SaaS, and they can get on a call with me. It's a 1 hour call where I understand their current skills, their strength, their weaknesses. Then I craft a dedicated action plan that they can follow for the next few months, and then they can achieve their goal. So yeah, this is done. And front end components, forms, login form. Okay, login form, there we go. And this is my code: login form.tsx, login form.tsx. Make the, just a sec, before I do this I need a good form, a good font. Let's change the font. I'm not liking this font. Come here, and front end, app, layout, this is my code. Layout.tsx, layout.tsx. Hold on, this is my layout.tsx, right? Then this is my globals.css, my globals.css. I want to use a good font that makes my SaaS look clean and professional. You are using which is okay. Enter, okay. You are using my WhatsApp, okay. Satoshi, my recommendation, okay. Replace a font, enter. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Layout. Are we using it? Just a sec. If I come here, import, enter from next slash font slash Google. Got enter. Then here we have comment. You can just remove this const enter equals enter subset Latin, then variables subsets, okay, subsets Latin this, then update a layout inside HTML, add inter.variable, use inter here and remove this. Fine pro, okay. Now let's see how it looks. Yeah, this looks better. Log into your account, create an account. Enter looks better, okay. Flanky Gaming, what does it cost? If you want to book a one-on-one call with me, you can DM me on Instagram to book a call with me, and if you want any further information, you can DM me on Instagram. Khushi, how do I contact you? Any charges? Yeah, it's a paid call. It's a 1 hour call, and it's a paid call so that I get only people who are actually serious about it, because I'm giving my time to it. And if anybody wants any further information, they can DM me on Instagram to book a call with me or get any information. Koshish, I'm just curious, does font matter this much? Like, this current font is not really that bad. Like, there's some sort of standard of font, just curious. Yeah, actually font matters a lot. It is what gives your website a very live look, very, like, it looks very good. Font, if your font is good, like, it looks very professional. Okay, my tech stack includes HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React for frontend, and Node.js with Express. Okay, it's a basic merge stack. Very good. Tech stack is fine. So the thing is that first, I'll suggest you go into backend, because backend is what makes you a very good developer. Because frontend is fine. Look, you can learn frontend very easily. But first, understand what are REST APIs, what is middleware, what is JSON Web Token, what are validations, what are schemas. Understand those things, then learn different architectures in backend, then try to implement those things. Then once you have given 3 to 4 months in backend, then you can start learning front end. Okay, Atharva. Okay, so this is done. Now let's make few more changes. Come here, close this. This is my code. Components, forms, login form.tsx, make the UI and UX better and clean so that it looks professional. That looks professional. Let's just copy this part, copy this. What happened? What did I mess up? Card. This div, copy this div from this div to this div, copy it, paste it here. Now what the fuck is the issue here? I mean, seriously, it irritates me sometimes. A simple copy paste from GPT is sick here. Copy, copy, paste. Form. So if this, where is it? This is my form, and certainly I haven't closed the form. Wow, very good, amazing work, bravo. See, I've copied from here, but there it did not copy get pasted. Very good, amazing, love it. Asshole. Okay. Lokesh B, guys, join Discord server, link in description. Yeah, guys, if anybody is interested, they can join the Discord server. The link is in the description of the stream. अभी 2 दिन का टाइम है, पढ़ लूँगा. ओके, कॉपी दिस, कंट्रोल. ये क्या हो रहा है भाई? चुपचाप कंट्रोल नहीं, कॉपी नहीं होता है क्या इसमें? साला जीपीटी किस चीज़ के लोग इतना हीरो बन रहे हैं भाई? एलएलएम बना लिया, एक अच्छा वेबसाइट नहीं बना पाया अभी तक. Irritates me and such a disappointment. Or welcome back, email password. Do I need this or right now? I don't need this or right now. Okay, we can delete this divider or part. Or don't have an account, create one. Okay, yeah, this looks better. If I do this, okay, this is fine. This is fine, but the error, it takes extra space and the form expands a bit. Did you even understand it? और ऐसी कोड लिख के दे दिया. Give me the full code. टैप फ्यूजन टू भाई गुस्सा आ रहा है, प्यार दिखा रहा है जीपीटी को. शेख sir, as an electrical engineering students or not have a 60% eligibility criteria to sit and show skills of backend. What I am learning right now in placement. So what should I do, sir? As a student or not? Can you Abhishek Goswami? Can you explain a bit more? Lokesh, Sama is busy fixing ChatGPT lag. Okay. Vivek, bro, use Claude. Actually, I save Claude for errors that cannot be solved by GPT. Then I go to Claude. Tap Fusion. Abhishek, bhai, ShadCN का role क्या है? ShadCN is basically this UI component that you are seeing. It is built by ShadCN. ER Prashant Kumar. Hi, bro. Hi, bro. Hello, Prashant. Welcome back to my stream. Copy. see what we get. Yeah, now it looks better. Now it looks better. Yep. Create one. Create one. Okay. Now if I go test user 9 at the rate gmail.com, test user. No, I don't have test user 9. Let's make it test user. Let's do this. Okay. This is done. And now here we are doing this await display login user anything data dot unwrap. Let's dispatch login user anything. Okay, hold on. So there we go, and I can just copy this and go to register form. Do one thing, just copy this part, and in my mobile how it looks. Mobile it looks like this. Fine. Welcome back. Create an account. Okay. Welcome back. Create an account. Okay. Fine. Okay. Now if I go to my register form, login form, copy this div, copy this div part, register form, and this div, copy this register form div part, paste it here, and we have some issues. First is welcome to this app. Welcome to this app. Create your account. Create your account. Just put here. Create your account. Enter your details. Create your account, enter your details, and here before email part, copy this, put name here, name, ID, name, type, text, John Doe, John, last name, register, name, error dot name dot message. Fine. Login, email, create one. Okay, we have to fix few things. Email. Okay. Then there we go. This is done. Submitting. Creating your account. Create your account. Create your just right here, register, or already have an account. Already have an account. Login. This is done. Login. Create an account. Forgot. Okay, login. Okay, for now let's remove this forgot part. We'll fix it later. Okay, change the HTML for. Okay, yeah. Where is it? HTML for also name. Thanks for suggesting. Decode. Bhai, after learning After learn full stack, if someone starts doing freelancing now, how much can he earn per month? Any estimate? See, freelancing, it depends. Like if you're getting good projects, but right now freelancing market is a bit down because a lot of things. टैप फ्यूजन भाई एक बार स्टार्टिंग से दिखाना अपना SaaS कैसे कैसे स्टार्ट होगा और कहाँ तक कंप्लीट हो गया है. एक से मैं दिखा रहा हूँ. ओके लोकेश टाइम टू मेक अभिषेक जीपीटी. ओके Abhishek Goswami means, sir, I don't have 60% criteria to settle placement. What companies prefer? So, how to show skill to get a job? In college, like Infosys, many companies, yeah, in college they have this criteria that only students above 60% can sit for interviews and all those things. So, like in that thing, you cannot do anything. You can try to target companies that don't have this criteria in your college, and apart from that, you have to try for off campus. यार प्रशांत भाई मेरा कल हार्ड डिस्क डेड हो गया तो मैं फिर SSD लगवाया बट मेरा सारा डेटा गायब हो गया है. कोई ऐसा ऑप्शन बताओ जिससे मेरा डेटा ना डिलीट हो. सी हार्ड डिस्क में ही डेटा होता, अगर हार्ड डिस्क गया तो डेटा गया. टैप फ्यूजन भाई जैसे हम माउस का लेफ़्ट बटन कहीं पे क्लिक करते हैं वाईटी पे तो क्रोम का साइड में इंस्पेक्ट आता है, वही कोड होता है ना पूरी वेबसाइट का. हाँ वो इंस्पेक्ट करने से वो पेज का कोड होता है. लोकेश ओके चेंज एस्टिमेट फॉर ओके डन. संदीप पांडेब डन दैट. लोकेश बी जॉन डो है नेम में. ओके जॉन what do you do? Look, UI is looking old fashioned. Like we'll improve it with time. Lokesh B flanking gaming yes okay. By the way, did you read books या novels ऐसा कुछ? हाँ मैं नॉवल पढ़ता हूँ. मैं दोस्तोयेव्स्की की किताबें काफ़ी पढ़ता हूँ. I read books written by Fyodor Dostoevsky. Currently I'm reading a book called Demons by Dostoevsky. टाइप फ्यूजन तो भाई क्या मैं उस कोड को चेंज करके वाईटी पे पेज को चेंज कर वो परमानेंट चेंज नहीं होगा. वापस रिफ्रेश करोगे तो वापस वो पुराने कोड में ही हो जाएगा क्योंकि वो आपके सर्वर से कोड आता है. दिस इज डन. होल्ड ऑन क्रिएट योर अकाउंट. सो नाउ लेट्स ट्राई टेस्ट user6@gmail.com. टेस्ट user6 logged in. Okay, now if I go here, now we have how many users we have 7 users. Let's go for 8. Let's go with 8. Test user eight test user 8@gmail.com. test user 8 register, creating account, dashboard will come here. We have test user 8. Fine, done. This is also done. Now one more thing I need to do is let's put a theme here. We are doing this, just a sec. And few more things I need to do here. Register user form. Here we have this. Already have another login button, span. Okay, on click. And what will happen if we make this a button? Because it should be a button ideally, right? Okay, not this one bro, not this one. Yeah, it is already a button. And here my button class name and cursor pointer. I have this and I need to make some pop out here. Cursor pointer and cursor pointer login. Here also in login also we need to make cursor pointer. Cursor pointer cursor pointer. Where is it? Login here. Cursor pointer. Here also it is like this. Create one. And I think this button should be a little bit smaller. Button type size, what do we have? Let's go with SM. If I make it SM, how it looks? Login. Okay, remove this. Nothing changes. Okay, then what will happen if I do access? Anything changes? Button size, nothing changes here. Okay, login, register. Deadly Chandan. Hello, Deadly Chandan. Welcome to my stream. Which tech stack is good for fresher, Java or Modern? See, Java is good in industries, like it is used a lot. But the problem is that what I have seen is that for Java developers, they usually go with people with experience. But for fresher, it is easy to get a job with Modern stack. Flanking Demon is in my wish list. Okay, Modern. Okay. भाई वो SaaS दिखाना ज़रा. ये रहा SaaS. Flanking, nice taste in books, buddy. Thanks, Flanking Gaming. Lokesh, Crime and Punishment. Yeah, I've already read that. Raskolnikov, टैप फ्यूजन 2. भाई आप अपना SaaS का लिंक दे सकते हो. अभी तक SaaS बनाया नहीं है, लाइक डिप्लॉय किया नहीं है, तो लिंक है नहीं अभी. यार प्रशांत कुमार, कोई ऑप्शन फ्यूचर के लिए जहां मैं डेटा स्टोर करके रख सकूं और कहीं भी डेटा स्टोर, क्लाउड स्टोरेज. भाई VS कोड में पाइथन भी चल जाएगा क्या? हाँ, आराम से चलेगा. अथर्वा, ब्रो व्हाट प्रॉब्लम डज योर SaaS सॉल्व? इट सॉल्व्स द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ people who cannot manage the one-on-one calls. For example, like me, people like me, I take one-on-one call, right? So now if people have to DM me on Instagram, I don't have a website, and I don't want to take any headache of building a website. So maybe I'm trying to build a SaaS where I can register, then I'll get a link, then anybody with that link can book a call with me. That's kind of problem I'm trying to solve. This is done. Okay, fine. This is, we are doing this. And just one more thing, one small thing is that I need a notifier here. Chat CN, Sonar. Where is Sonar? Yeah, here's my Sonar. Sonar. npm run dev. There we go. And this is my code. Login form.tsx, page app auth login page.tsx. This is happening now. We have layout page, layout.tsx. And then we have Redux, auth slice.ts, hooks.ts, store.ts we have. Then this is done. Then we have hooks, user auth init.ts. This is also done. and then we need auth token.ts, axios.ts, then we have here API auth.api.ts. Now I want that when after login I want to show a notification that user logged in. Add okay, this is done. And on root layout, toaster in root layout, toaster, okay, layout, close this, front end app layout providers, we need toaster here, toaster from Sonar, okay, copy this, okay, let's जैसा है वैसा रखो, Sonar, okay, login, update your login form, use toast, then login form we have here, भाई सिर्फ बैकएंड और फ्रंट एंड के लिए इतना कोड लग रहा है तो सोचो और अंदर कितना कोड लगेगा, काफ़ी लगेगा। विराज अभिषेक भाई आप पाइचाम क्यों नहीं करते? पाइचाम पाइथन के लिए होता है और अभी मैं पाइथन में तक काम कर नहीं रहा हूँ। टैब फ्यूजन भाई सिर्फ बैकएंड और फ्रंट एंड के लिए तो सो अंदर ओके। भाई VS कोड से गेम कैसे बनाएं? मुझे गेम बनाना नहीं आता है। स्वर्णिम दुबे, हेलो स्वर्णिम, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। अभिषेक भाई ये SaaS से रेवेन्यू कैसे जनरेट होती है, एक बार बताओ ना, एक्सेप्ट अगर क्लाइंट सब्सक्रिप्शन बाय करे। सब्सक्रिप्शन से मंथली बेसिस में होता है, 99% तो मॉर्नी है। आई एग्री। Abhishek, tell us Abhishek sir about your journey, where you came from, study and all things we all want to know. Okay, so I completed my BTech in 2023 from Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology and I am from West Bengal, India. Uh, like I started my first programming language was C++ and I started learning it when I was in class 11. That's when I got interested into programming and I got into web development using Django at first in 2020 during lockdown. Who is Skylord? I don't know. Lokesh, guys, please like the stream. Yeah, guys, if you're enjoying the stream, do consider subscribing and drop a like. Okay. Tap Fusion to Lokesh, grow up. Actually, Lokesh is one of the oldest subscribers and he has been supporting me a lot. So yeah. Leo, okay. But yeah, I'm here since when he had 900 subs. Yeah, actually Lokesh is one of the oldest subscribers. So yep. विराज अभिषेक भाई RJ मेडिकल कॉलेज का क्या राज है, सब गलत चीज़ें वहीं होती है। पता नहीं यार, काफ़ी कुछ गलत हुआ है मेरे शहर में एंड आई होप कि टाइम के साथ चेंज हो। कॉन्स टोस्ट इक्वल्स यूज toaster okay, we have to get toaster like this, layout toaster at the rate slash component slash UI slash Sonar. We got toaster, then toast from Sonar. Okay, then we have toast from Sonar. Remove this. Then here we have import toast from Sonar. Done. Then what is this saying? Okay. It is long successfully push. Okay. Add this dot unwrap. Title. Hold on. Sonar. View code. Where is it? Show toast. Toast event has been created. Okay. So in toast we have something like this. Copy this thing here. Add this here. And remove this. And then we have here this. And then we add this here. Welcome back. Fine, now let's try this. क्या इशू है भाई इसको अब? हटना भाई इधर से यार, ये हाइड्रेशन ना एकदम काफ़ी अननेसेसरी है इश्यूज है भाई नहीं से इसमें क्या हाइड्रेशन डाल के क्या उखाड़ लिया भाई. लॉगिन. Seriously man, Rooster is giving me hydration warning. Pathetic. This is my code. Layout, then my login form. Copy it from here. अब दूसरा एरर क्या है? Okay. Yeah, this is class name. I have a hydration issue. The problem is toaster and our structure is this. Okay. Seriously. Code. Layout.tsx. I got this. uh, यश डीएसए कहाँ से सीखो? डीएसए तो खुद से आप सीख सकते हो, लाइक स्ट्राइवर के यूट्यूब चैनल से चेक करो। बूबू, हेलो बूबू, वेलकम, हेलो बाबू, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। Sim Jector, hello Jector, welcome to the stream. What's the software, bro? It's a B2B appointment booking SaaS. बाबू कैसे है सर? मैं बढ़िया, तुम कैसे हो? विराज, जिम के बाहर मिले तो थोड़ा पसंद दे देना। अभिषेक सर, I want to know that how it feels when you complete BTech and still people ask you for parents just on studies and always stay at home, not work. There are many youngsters facing this. How to deal with it? Yeah, I agree. Like, first thing is that I also faced this thing before I got my job. And but the thing is that basically I graduated in 2023, and then I was doing freelancing, and because of the recession, my like onboarding got delayed by 1 year, right? So in those 1 year, I was also facing a lot of issues. Like people were saying a lot of things, so I just stopped giving shit about it because I know I was upskilling myself, not wasting my time. And secondly, when like the job opportunity came back again, I actually lost the interest of doing job because I upskilled myself so much that I felt that yeah, I can do something of my own. भाई वी एस कोड में रन कौन से ऑप्शन से होता है? सिंपल एडिशन करना है, ये तो ध्यान में नहीं है भाई। एपीरियम है अभिषेक, हाउ इज गोइंग? हेलो एपीरियम, वेलकम बैक टू द स्ट्रीम, हाउ आर यू? ऑटो प्लॉट, हे ब्रो, आई एम टू बिल्डिंग अ SaaS right now. That's great, auto plot. And trust me, you are very talented, very well. We all always support you. Thank you, Abhishek Goswami. अनबॉक्सिंग लाइव, हेलो ब्रो, आई वांट योर सजेशन या आस्क। अनबॉक्सिंग इंटर्नशिप कैसे कर रहे हैं और कहाँ से? इंटर्नशिप के लिए आपको पहले स्किल्ड होना पड़ेगा, अच्छे से अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाओ, एंड इंटर्नशाला वगैरह में अप्लाई मारो, या कोई छोटी मोटी स्टार्टअप्स को खुद से अप्लाई करो। ABCD भैया, आपको HTML CSS करते टाइम सब पता होता है, मुझे तो याद ही नहीं रहता, वो प्रैक्टिस के साथ हो जाता है। व्हाट आई डू फॉर इंटर्नशिप? बिल्ड प्रोजेक्ट्स। ओके, so basically this provider HTML body, then provider. Okay, so bring this inside this. We have this body. Okay, body is here. Children like this, and copy this provider here and bring this here, and provider this one bring it here. Mr. Children, and copy this, and after this add this here. Okay, now let's see what we get. Test user 6@gmail.com. Test user 6. Login. Logged in successfully. Welcome back. Okay, fine. And login here. Description. Post dot success. Remove this. Description. Logged in successfully, and if I go here, test user 8@gmail.com, test user 8, login, logged in successfully. We're getting it here. Okay, absolutely fine. Same. Now register form, and for error, where is it? Login failed. Toast dot error. Login failed. Description error dot message or something went wrong. Fine. Test user 10@gmail.com. Test user 10. What the hell happened? Test user 10@gmail.com. Test user 10. And this, where is it? Test user 10@gmail.com. Test user 10. What I do for internship unboxing lifestyle, I want to become a data scientist. So what I do and from where I start. If you want to become a data scientist, first you need to understand the basics of machine learning, deep learning, statistics, all those things. And you can go to CampusX YouTube channel. You can follow that. कोई अच्छी वेबसाइट है क्या अप्लाई करने के लिए एक्सेप्ट लिंक्डइन एंड इंटर्नशाला? एक्चुअली इंटर्नशिप का बेस्ट तरीका है कि आप स्टार्टअप ज्वाइन करो. अमन आर्ट्स, हेलो अमन आर्ट्स, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. भैया कोर इंजीनियरिंग के लिए RTX 350 काफ़ी है कि? हाँ काफ़ी है. The Praveen effect. Hello, the Praveen effect. Welcome to the stream. Hey, at the use state email and password to avoid manual write off email password during testing. Okay. Okay, got it. The Praveen effect. Thanks for the suggestion. Ethereum. Click on state and see for 500. Your page is reloading, bro. That's why network call. You can't see. Yeah. Actually, that is the issue. Hold on. In chat. This is my code. Login form.tsx. On form.tsx. Layout.tsx. lib api auth.tsx. auth, अबे इसकी तो मैं साला दिमाग ख़राब कर रहा है. auth.ts auth.ts auth.token.ts Axios.ts. When I am entering incorrect email and password, it is not showing the error and the page is just getting reloaded. This is not and submit or update a catch block and submit catch error. लूसी, हेलो लूसी, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। भाई गेम डेवलपमेंट के लिए RTX 460 कैसा है और गेम डेवलपमेंट में स्कोप क्या है? गेम डेवलपमेंट का मुझे इतना आइडिया नहीं है, बट ग्राफिक्स कार्ड तो काफ़ी तगड़ा है। RTX 4060 एनफ। BSc कंप्यूटर साइंस ऑफ कैंपस प्लेसमेंट क्राइटेरिया, build projects and good projects, like not simple project, good level projects, and deploy them and just build a strong resume. Login user thunk. Front end. Okay. Login user thunk. Redux. Slices or slices. Login user thunk. Copy this. Login user thunk. Comment this one for now. And this one for now. Login user form data. No force reload. That's Axios.ts. 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 Okay. Axios.ts. Form. Form. This is what we get. Now. Okay. So first let's put the correct data. Once user6@gmail.com. Just user6. Login. Logged in successfully. We got to dashboard, right? Now test user10@gmail.com. Test user. Login field. Very good. Very good. Absolutely fine. Login field. Remove this. Okay. Just a sec. Okay. This message in that form. Okay. Hi bro, I messaged you yesterday. Are my gamings like in comment? English. Enough. Hello, enough. Welcome to the stream. I'm my first year of BSc Computer Science honors. What should I study to get off-campus placement? First year BSc Computer Science. Okay. See, first thing there are two things that you need to do. Like throughout your entire BSc, first DSA to do one or two questions every single day. Don't give 8 hours or 6 hours to DSA only. No, just give 1 hour to DSA every single day. And apart from that, pick one tech stack. Maybe you can pick Merge Stack or Django and React, and you can just build projects and deploy them and build a strong resume. That is very important. अनबॉक्सिंग लाइफ है है भाई. ओके आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपकी आवाज आ रही है गाइस Alok in password also have option to see what users are typing in pass. It's a good UX. Yeah, I agree Alok. Unboxing I do BCA what I do in third semester. मेरी लैंग्वेज की अंडरस्टैंडिंग तो अच्छी है बट लाइक विच लैंग्वेज डू यू नो. Okay, optional show inline error under fields. Invalid credentials. Login invalid credentials. Okay. Test user 6. We got this. Test user 6. We got this. Login. Test user 6 at gmail.com. Test user 6. Login. We got this. Okay. This is fine. Now let's go to register form. We have this register form here. First is copy this thing, const this part, const message, copy this part, and here we have here console this and add this here, post this here, post part is done, set error and login form we have set error. Where are we getting this set error? Where is it? Where are we getting this set error from? Where is the set error? Set error. Okay, from here. Set error, register form, and then submit, set error, and then submit, comma, set error, and comma. Let's put a comma there. We have this thing and the message. What is this message? Why is it showing like this? Error. Why? Because it has to be any. Done, right? And if I go here to my this part and go to register again, okay, test what are me test user 6 already there, right? So if I go test user 6, test user 6 at the rate gmail.com, and here we have test user 6. If I register, what the hell happened here? We have only one test user 6. Oh fuck, man. Hold on. Login form. Match login is a thing. Okay. I go here, register, test user 6 test user 6 at the rate gmail.com, test user 6. I go में inspect network, register. What are we getting? So here we are getting this response that user already exists, right? But here we are, objects are not react. Okay, fine. Okay, test user 6. Let's do one thing. Let's create a new user. See, test user 9. Let's go with test user 9. Test user 9. Test user 9 at the rate gmail.com. Test user 9. Register, come here, and let's see if we have test user 9. Yes, we have test user 9. Lukesh, why? Yes, coming. Okay. अनवर्क कोडिंग क्या करे, प्रोजेक्ट्स लाइक आपको खुद रिसर्च करना, आपका जो भी टेक स्टैक है उसके हिसाब से आपको रिसर्च करके बनाना पड़ेगा. ओके, अनबॉक्सिंग पाइथन सी एंड वेब डेव और एसक्यूएल डीबीएमएस एंड सी प्लस प्लस. Unboxing, like you have to explain your questions a bit more. Do you also prepare for GATE exam? No, no Abhishek, I don't. Rahul Roy, hello Rahul. Okay Rahul, hi, what's up bro? All good Rahul, I'm just working on my SaaS. आप मेरे पास 1.5 ईयर है, क्या करें करियर के लिए, लाइव मैं खुद कंफ्यूज हूँ पूरा तरीके से. अनबॉक्सिंग लाइफस्टाइल, आप डिटेल में बताओ कि आपको अभी क्या क्या आता है. ओके सो just one sec. So now if I try this test user 10, let's go test user 6, test user 6 at the rate gmail.com, test user 6, register. We got this. Very good, very good. Now let's go here, GPT. This is my code. .tsx. Axios.ts. Auth slice.ts. And I like when the error is not shown in the form, like the error is not shown when I create the user with an already existing email, but I get this on my screen. Test user 6, test user 6 at the rate gmail.com, test user 6, register. Got this, copy this and paste it. Yeah, very close. They should not your UI error handling register. Yeah, okay. Registers async thunk. Okay, it's thunk issue. Thunk. Okay, login user thunk. We have this login user form data. Copy this, remove this, add this, and it should be registered user form data. Register user form data, and we need to input it. Done. Switch on submit error handling. Update this. Replace with this. Okay. Catch. I need to update the catch part. Catch. This is my catch part. Read this. Fine. Optional but better. Set error. Don't set error on password or email conflict. This works. Bonus. Highly recommended. We have this here and add this here. It's very good. Okay, now if I come here, refresh this. Okay, enough. Currently first year. Okay, what was your question? Enough. Yeah, as I said, you are in first year. Do DSA and build projects. User 6 test user 6 at the rate gmail.com. Test user 6. User already exists. Oh, very good. Fine. This is what I wanted to see. And now if I come here with this one, for example, 9 8 9, let's create a user with test user 10 10 10 test user 10. Now register. Account created successfully. Very good. We got to dashboard. Save it. And if I go here in my Redux, I must have test user 10. User test user 10 owner. Very good. Okay, fine. This is done. Now we need to create this part is done. We can close this. Now the structure is very clear for the code. Now we just need to create the layout, and Redux is stored in the state. And okay, so just a sec. If I go to front end lib auth token, from here we can get the get token, set token, and clear token part, right? And let's put it this thing backend src, not backend, front end app dashboard page. We have this hub. Darshan, hello Darshan, welcome to the stream. Abhishek Khul vlog. Hello Abhishek, welcome to the stream. Hi bro, I'm student and I'm learning Python. Is it good? Yes, Python is very in demand and it is a very good programming language. Master it. Karthik Pruthi. Hello Karthik, welcome to the stream. भैया एक डाउट था, should I join coding blocks offline DSA course as I'm in fourth sem? I have no idea about coding blocks offline course, so I cannot comment on it. Autoplot. Till how much time do you work on this project? Like I usually go around for 2 to 3 hours continuously. I work around that much on this projects. So we have this, and just a sec guys, just a sec, hold on. Okay, so here we have to check one thing, that inside this front end app dashboard page. Okay, user, let's get this user. Okay, let's, for example, right now let's get this part. Return, we are doing this. Let's Done. Got user. Now let's put this dashboard. Welcome user dot name. What is this issue? Cannot find. बाप रे बाप, गजब है भाई, इसका लॉजिक ही अलग है पूरा. ऑन क्लिक. हाँ. Let's see if logout is working or not. If I come here, and we have to put this in a div, a wrapper like this, and we need to get dispatch. Where are we getting this dispatch from? This is coming from here. Done. Okay, we'll see. Let's fix this from here. Brother, can you guide me a little? Should I keep uploading to GitHub from the first day? Yes, you should maintain a good GitHub profile and upload your codes on GitHub. Abhishek, bro, can I practice lead codes? Yes, you can practice lead code, but before solving any question, for example, if you are doing 2 pointers on arrays, right? Before directly jumping on the question, first understand what are 2 pointers algorithm and how you can implement it, and then solve questions. This will help you to understand that pattern recognition in questions. Where is it? Okay, just a sec. This is my code. Page.tsx. Providers.tsx. Layout.tsx. Done. This is also done. Now Redux hooks.ts. Store.ts. Slices. Auth slice.ts. Then we have lib API auth.ts, api.auth.ts. ts auth.token.ts. This is also done. Auth.ts. This is done. I am getting this error. Content. In page in dashboard slash page dot tsx. Harshit Bharadwaj. Hello Harshit, welcome to the stream. What are you building? What will it do? I'm building a B2B appointment booking SaaS. Give vision. Bro, use anti-gravity. Actually, I don't want to use any AI IDs right now because I want to keep the context. I want to understand the context of this code. It is not just an MVP. I'm trying to build a full-blown SaaS application so that I can generate revenue from this app. And I don't want to, like AI can do this maybe, but my past experiences with lead cursor has been really bad, and it gets really difficult if you don't understand the context of the code. And in future, if you want to make any changes or if you want to debug any issue, it will take you hours. So I don't want to fall into that trap. Mohammed, hello Mohammed, welcome to the stream. I'm building a app on PyQt5 using Python, or should I build using Mern and Electron? By the way, building a desktop application. Okay, see, if you are comfortable in Python and you know how to do it, then go for it. Vision, bro. Using antiquity, you are wasting so much time to find out and typing. Actually, I'm not wasting time here. Like it is, I understand the context of the code. That's why I'm able to find the issues really well. Because in anti gravity, it has been like अभी तक छोटा सा issue मेरे को खुद से solve करने के लिए ना दिमाग खराब हो जाता है मेरा. Okay, what will this SaaS do? Actually, this is appointment booking SaaS, something like for online and offline businesses. People can manage their appointments, payments, and everything from this app. Bharadwaj, cons dispatch and reduce dispatch. Actually, we are not using like I have created a hook for Redux. Inside here in Redux, where is it? Here. I've created this hook. So basically, I'm using you are using this use app dispatch, which is internally using use dispatch. So yeah. I'm in your Discord. Can we discuss? Yeah, you can DM me on Discord. Hello. Okay, hi, कैसे हो? Hello, Gumball. Welcome back to the stream, brother. How are you? And guys, just a reminder, if you're enjoying the stream, do consider subscribing and drop a like. We're getting this because of scope. Your dashboard, you are trying to use them inside dashboard content, which is separate functions. Okay. I have two proper hooks now. This is a cleaner, most React correct approach. Okay, so come here and let's see. There are two main things. There is this two. Okay, so in my backend, not backend, I think in my front end app dashboard page.tsx, we have to make this a use client first. This has to be use client. This okay, log out. Okay, protected route. Okay, not here, it should be here. My bad. Fine, this is here. And user, there should be a question mark. Fine, now if I come here, welcome test user 2. If I click on logout, I have been taken to logout. And now if I try to access the dashboard again, I won't be able to access it. Very good. Test user 6 at the rate gmail.com. Test user 6 at the rate test. Okay, just a sec. Test user 6 at this test user 6. Very good. Let's make this logout button like a real button, and this also a button, and this button, yeah, it's a logout button. And give a class name here, cursor pointer here. Very good. Click on logout. Done. And just a sec, again test user 6 at the rate gmail.com. Test user 6. Login here. Logged in successfully. If I refresh, nothing is happening. Very good. If I log out, I have been logged out. Now final test. If I go to dashboard, I should not be able to access dashboard. एक्चुअली ये यूज़ क्लाइंट लिखने से हमारे यहाँ पे कंपोनेंट्स को पता चलता है कि इट इज़ अ क्लाइंट कंपोनेंट, राइट? So that's why. So this is done. Okay, here also I need to make this cursor pointer, back end, front end, components, forms, register form. Here I need where is it, button here. I need cursor pointer, register form, right? Here we have cursor pointer, and login. In login I need cursor pointer, login. Where is my login button? Here also we need cursor pointer, this is also done. Fine, so this is done here. And here, why am I getting this? Expect too small. Here I need to have at least greater than or equal to characters. Okay, so in this validation part, backend, front end, lib, validators, auth. Here actually we are not putting anything here, that's why we are getting this. Name must be at least 2 characters long. Okay, now if I come here and if I send this, okay, fine, now it looks better. Okay, very good. Done. This is done. Aditya, what's your end goal in coding? See, my end goal, actually there's no end goal. I want to learn as much as I can, like as much as I have that consciousness that I can process new things. I want to keep learning for the rest of my life, and like in between build something so that people can use it and all those things. I like to build something of my own. That's what drives me. I want to build something of my own. Aditya, welcome to the stream, Aditya. That's a very good question, by the way. Gumball69. Yeah, okay. Raghav is anonymous. Hello Raghav, welcome to the stream. भाई कोडिंग कैसे चालू करूँ? फर्स्ट ईयर में हूँ. सबसे पहले आप एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज उठाओ, या तो जावास्क्रिप्ट उठाओ या पाइथन उठाओ, एंड उसको अच्छे से सीखो. और उसके बाद एक बार आप लैंग्वेज सीखकर फिर देखो कि वो लैंग्वेज यूज़ करके आप क्या क्या बना सकते हो. अभिषेक गोस्वामी, ड्रिंक वाटर ब्रो, कीप हाइड्रेटेड योरसेल्फ. या जस्ट से आई ड्रिंक वाटर मैन, थैंक्स फॉर रिमाइंडिंग. You can ask your questions, guys, now. Created the register user and login user page. Fine, code has been pushed. Okay. Go to my GitHub, close it, and just a sec, guys. If I come here, front end, app, components, forms, login form. Okay, so these things are done. Okay, just a sec. गम्बॉल, अगर एडमिन सिंगल हो तो एडमिन पैनल एक्सेस करने के लिए डेटाबेस में यूज़र को एडमिन चेंज कर दूं क्या है? अगर एडमिन सिंगल हो तो पैनल एक्सेस करने के लिए डेटाबेस में यूज़र को एडमिन चेंज कर दूँ? हाँ, कर सकते हो। गम्बॉल 69 एक बार अपना स्टोर और ऑथ कस्टम हुक वगैरह दिखा दो। ओके, सो दिस इज़ माई स्टोर फ्रंट एंड redux store. This is my store, and this is the hooks for redux, and this is my auth slice. C2 commit push done. Yeah, so this is my auth slice. एनिमेशन भाई सो जाओ अब भाई। एक साल में मैं सारे प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज को मास्टर कर सकता हूँ क्या? नहीं। गम्बॉल 69। ओके लोकेश, बाय ब्रो, गुड नाइट। बाय लोकेश एंड थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग द स्ट्रीम ब्रदर, थैंक यू। गम्बॉल ये पता कैसे चलता है कि कितनी स्लाइसेस होगी रिड्यूसर में? एक्चुअली स्लाइस इज बेसिकली वन पार्ट ऑफ अ प्रोग्राम। सो यहाँ पे for example, if we are using authentication, that's why we have created auth slice. In future, for example, if this was an e-commerce application, then I would have created a product slice, right? Because product user creates a product, that's why we create a product slice. Then we can, it depends on your use case. अभिषेक गोस्वामी, फॉलो भजन मार्ग प्रेमानंद जी, गुड नाइट, राधे राधे, जय श्री कृष्णा। जय श्री कृष्णा अभिषेक गोस्वामी, एंड थैंक्स फॉर जॉइनिंग द स्ट्रीम। एनिमेशन किडो, ओके। यश सिंह, हेलो यश सिंह, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। भाई जो आपने प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है वो दिखाओ ना। लाइक मेरा सोशल मीडिया एप्लीकेशन आप बात कर रहे हो, वो तो मैंने लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में आप यूज़ कर सकते हो। जो मैंने सोशल मीडिया मेरा खुद का बनाया है, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में आप यूज़ कर सकते हो। एंड अभी जो मैंने एप्लीकेशन अभी तक जो बनाया है वो UI काफ़ी सिंपल है। जस्ट अ सेक, अभी सिंपल हम लोग रजिस्टर एंड लॉगिन ही बनाया है अभी तक। ये रजिस्टर पेज है, ये लॉगिन पेज है, एंड यहाँ पे दिस इज़ अ वर्किंग फॉर्म राइट नाउ। सो या दिस इज़ व्हाट वी हैव बिल्ट टिल नाउ। अभी लेटर ऑन फ्रॉम टुमारो लाइक आई विल बी बिल्डिंग द डैशबोर्ड पेज। सो लॉन्ग वे टू गो फॉर फ्रंट एंड। एनिमेशन में भाई कितना टाइम लगेगा सारी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज को मास्टर करने में? लाइफ निकल जाएगा। गम्बॉल, ओके भाई तू अभी, ओके। दीपक, हेलो ब्रदर, हेलो दीपक, वेलकम बैक टू द स्ट्रीम। ककाशी, इवन थॉट ऑफ यूजिंग लिनक्स? Yeah, actually I used Linux previously. Before I bought this laptop, in my previous laptop I had Linux, Ubuntu Linux. So I have used Linux for around 2 years as a base programming language, and it helped me a lot to understand Linux commands, and that's why I'm not scared of servers anymore, like VPS and all those cloud servers. वो cloud servers का fear has gone from my heart because of using Ubuntu Linux. Okay. Rain House, hello Rain House, welcome to the stream. Show me your project. Which one? Like this is the current project that we have built. Today we have worked on the login and the sign up part. And like for example, if you want to see my social media application, just a sec, 64. Yeah, this was it. This is basically I built this social media application. Guys want to use it, you can visit this IP address and you can use it. Just a sec. Yeah, so this is the social media that I have built. You guys can use it, you can post anything, you can post videos, you can post like images, anything. You can chat with other users as well. If you guys want, you can use this social media application. It's actually hosted and people are using it. Okay, so okay, Lokesh posted right now. इंटरस्टेलर का स्पेलिंग सही है ना? इंटरस्टेलर, okay, it is interstellar. Okay, interstellar. Okay, post. So you guys can use my social media application. It's built by me, and yeah. Yo, welcome to the stream. Amit Bhaumik, hello Amit, welcome to the stream. Hi bro, need any advice? I need advice. I am making an ERP for a manufacturing factory in Django and MongoDB, okay? But I'm not being able to plan it properly because I'm totally alone and can't get motivated. See, don't depend on motivation, depend on discipline. First, before write a single piece of code, first understand what are the database schemas that you need to build, and what are the like relationship that will be there between the schemas. एनिमेशन कनेक्ट हब है क्या आपका? या कनेक्ट हब मैंने ही बनाया है, लाइक मेरे खुद का सोशल मीडिया एप्लीकेशन है. पीपल कैन यूज इट बेसिकली. I was frustrated with LinkedIn. I don't like LinkedIn because people are too fake there. They are posting anything like any random thing. Basically in LinkedIn, a guy wakes up at 5 a.m. to post that he woke up at 5 a.m. That's why I hate LinkedIn. So I thought of building my own social media application where you can post your skills, you can interact with other developers, you can grow your network, like with real people who are actually interested in working, and skill based people basically. So yeah. ओके कुछ करने जाता हूँ जस्ट ब्लैंक एंड बैठे ही रहता हूँ. सी अमित, यू हैव टू फर्स्ट बिफोर, जैसे मैंने बोला कि आप पहले आप कुछ भी प्रोजेक्ट बनाओगे तो उसके पहले यू हैव टू बिल्ड दिस ई आर डायग्राम. बेसिकली दिस SaaS that I'm building, this is the ER diagram of my SaaS, right? So first you have to plan your application before you write a single piece of code. Rushikesh Patel, hello Rushikesh, welcome to the stream. What are you building? Actually today I was building my SaaS, the software as a service. We have completed the sign up and the login part, so now we have to work on the dashboard page. Pranav Gupta, hello Pranav. Do check the website apna notes, okay? Please review and tell. You can DM me on Instagram, on Discord. I'll review it after the stream. गम्बॉल भाई भाई सोशल मीडिया वाले प्रोजेक्ट में वो वीट वाला फंक्शन फेविकॉन चेंज करके कुछ लगा दो. अच्छा, फेविकॉन चेंज करूँ? हाँ, मैं एक्चुअली मैं क्या सोच रहा कि एक बार डोमेन खरीद लूँ ना खुद का ये सोशल मीडिया एप्लीकेशन के लिए, उसके बाद इसको तो तगड़ा लेवल तक लेके जाएंगे. अभी तो लाइक काफ़ी सिंपल है, यहाँ पे चैट कर सकते हैं, आप अपना पोस्ट और वीडियोस अपलोड कर सकते हो, एंड अपना खुद का प्रोफाइल वगैरह सब बना सकते हो. अब एक बार डोमेन हाथ में आ जाए ना, लाइक इफ़ आई बाय अ डोमेन देन इसको सीरियस लेके लाइक इसको मैं खुद से मेंटेन करूँगा और अच्छे से, एंड काफ़ी चीज़ करेंगे इसमें. मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ कि इसको इसमें डिस्कॉर्ड वाले फीचर्स भी डाल दूँ. प्रणव राज, ओके गम्बॉल भाई लिनक्स में सीखना क्या होता है? एक्चुअली लिनक्स इज एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम एंड इंटायर सर्वर इन दिस वर्ल्ड is uses Linux. Kakashi, you should try Omarki Linux based on Arc. It's good. You should try it out sometime. I'm going to install it tomorrow and complete it. Get rid of Windows. Okay, that's nice. I'll check it out. Lokesh, I posted just now. Yes, Lokesh, I saw it. Vivek and Abhishek is my favorite YouTuber. Oh, thanks Vivek. Thanks a lot, man. Thanks Vivek. Thanks a lot, Vivek. This is Lokesh. This is his profile. So yeah. Mohammed, assign a domain. Yeah, man, I have to buy a domain and I also need to use HTTPS for this project. भाई कितना टाइम लगा कनेक्ट हब बनाने में? एक्चुअली कनेक्ट हब का भी स्ट्रीम है. इफ़ यू गो टू माई स्ट्रीम्स एंड यू सी माई ओल्डर स्ट्रीम्स लाइक गिटहब, लाइक मैंने कनेक्ट हब भी स्ट्रीम पे ही बनाया सबके सामने. सो इफ एनीबडी इज इंटरेस्टेड टू सी हाउ आई बिल्ड इट, दे कैन सी दैट स्ट्रीम. Want to make a social place too, by the way? Any roadmap for me, as I have zero knowledge in programming and thinking of starting one? See, first you have to choose one programming language. You can choose Python or JavaScript. Pick one and master it. Then, like depending on what you have chosen, what your goal is, then you have to go either for development or AI/ML or anything that interests you. Kishal Ray, do you know Peter Levels? No. Parchai, after a long time. Hello Parchai, welcome back to the stream. Amit Bhaumik, bro, in mobile it's showing too many requests. Also, what are you doing to host your project with database? Yeah, actually I have, like I have put some rate limiting so that people don't, do any DDoS attacks on my application. So I have done rate limiting also. So if you are doing too many requests, then you have to try it after 15 or 20 minutes maybe. So like once we get the domain and everything, then I'll make the rate limiting much better. Okay. And for deployment, I have used Docker. I've used Docker to deploy this application, and I have deployed it on a VPS, virtual private server. कंबॉल भाई बस ये बता दो सीख क्या है लाइक कमांड और कुछ उबंटू से रहा हूँ ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं लगता है कोई टर्मिनल बेस्ड लिनक्स डालना पड़ेगा सी टर्मिनल एक्चुअली लिनक्स आपको टर्मिनल से ही एक्सेस चालू करना चाहिए Lokesh, I was here when he made Connect Hub. Yeah, like it took me 38 days to build Connect Hub, and I was working around 3 to 4 hours, 3 hours on an average on building Connect Hub. So yeah, where is it hosted? It is hosted on DigitalOcean. Do you have any unique ideas for full stack? Yeah, like right now I'm building my own SaaS software as a service. I'm trying to build that right now. This is what we are building right now. Like, yeah. Prakashi, you should implement pagination and actually algorithm for feed and connect filter to filter out the flag and explicit content. You Twitter's algo and NFS filter code. It's open source. Yeah, like I was thinking about that. And the thing is, see, I don't want to put yeah, like see, we have to put pagination, but I don't want that next thing. I need an infinite scroll part, right? So that if someone is using it, they can just keep scrolling through the application, right? So that's why I will not put that next button. But yes, like we'll implement that next pagination for database. Himanshu, yo, what's up? Himanshu, Himanshu. Lokesh, Abhi bro inspired me to make Flick Feed social media app for movie lovers. Yeah, like guys, you can join my Discord. We share our projects in our Discord server, and yeah, like if you are interested, you can join. Okay, animation kiddo. It took me around like 38 days while giving around Gumball Huji. But yeah, check Discord. Okay, I'll check Discord. 38 days. Okay, हर्षित आपके यूजर्स कितने हैं अभी तो यूजर्स काफ़ी लाइक 200 प्लस आराम से हैं like not active users, total number of users. Amit Bhaumik, can you show slash teach me deployment using VPS and Docker? Yeah, actually I have a recorded video, but it is 4 to 5 hours long, and I need editor to मस्त मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पे तो. This is Gumball actually. Gumball is using it. Thanks bro. Thanks bye. Prakash, you can do chunk based pagination where a certain chunk is loaded with, yeah, like I will be implementing those things. Like optimization is required, but like I will be doing it once I get a domain, and we are actually developing it like you know uh, like वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको एक डेडिकेटेड लॉन्च अभी भी बाकी है दिस कनेक्ट हब का दिस इज स्टिल द एमवीपी वर्जन like I will be once I get the domain, then I'll launch it properly so that people can use it. Read comments on Connect Hub. Okay, thanks. Okay, to read comments on Connect Hub. Okay, कौन से comments? Just a sec, guys. Actually, Lokesh says that I look like this guy. Is it true? Do I look like this guy? Lokesh says that I look like this guy. Just a sec. Save image. Hold on. Not WebP file. I need an PNG file. Save image as downloads and Connect Hub. Let's send it to Lokesh. I look like him. And this post. Like we have to make some improvements also, like cropping and all. Do I look like him? Uh, बढ़िया चीज बना ली डोमेन लेने के बाद इंस्टाग्राम डिस्कॉर्ड वगैरह को टक्कर देगा. थैंक्स अ लॉट मैन. ओके. विवेक वाली यार यू अस पोस्ट मी. विवेक. ओके ओके विवेक. Okay, so Parchai is Vivek, got it. Thanks, Parchai. Kakashi, I get it by the way. I'm also coding one of my biggest project and I have decided to open source it, but I have never open sourced an enterprise level app. So is there a certain steps to open source something? First, when you're open sourcing it, be very careful to accepting the pull request because if you don't read the pull request properly, it can, Pranav commented on your post. Okay, which post? No, bro, you're far better than him. Okay. आप दुबे जी हो. ओके फाइन. परचाई 70% मैच फेस मैच. ओके गम्बॉल. नहीं आप शिवम दुबे हो. दुबे जी. ओके भाई. मैंने उसमें चैट के ऑप्शन में दिखा रहा है नो कॉन्वर्सेशन यूज़र. क्या दिखा रहा है आप लाइक थोड़ा बग्स है ऐप में. आई नो. आप थोड़ा रिफ्रेश वगैरह मारो. लाइक नेक्स्ट अपडेट में इसको ठीक करूँगा. Too many requests, please try again later. When I try to create account. Okay, actually like too many people are maybe actually using it. I need to do something. Hold on. Try after a few minutes because I have put a very strict rate limiting so that people cannot do any DDoS attacks. That's why. I am not okay. I'm Parchai. Okay, yeah, Parchai. Animation kiddo. भाई मेरे उसमें चैट का ऑप्शन में okay. Oh, never mind. It was when I tried to log in with existing. Okay, yeah. Actually, these things I have done. So you were saying about open source. Yeah, Kakashi. Actually, in open source, yeah, you can make an open source project, but make sure whenever you accept a pull request, read the pull request very properly because if you don't read it properly, your entire project can go down in one single pull request. Okay, search karo. Okay. Being in college, I am not a regular to coding and this is my last career option and my second year is completed in June. Okay. So what are your skills right now? Animation. I am Vivek. Okay. Animation kiddo. Got it. Lokesh. Parchai means shadow. वो परछाई होगा ना. परछाई. हाँ. Okay. Guys, if you're enjoying the stream, do consider subscribing. थोड़ा बहुत Discord देख लेते हैं. Discord में क्या चल रहा है? Here. Start here. Hi, I'm Flaming. Hi. Resources. What we have? Hello everyone. This is guide. Help me create technical interview. Okay. Thanks for sharing, man. Vivek. Vikas. Then we have growth marketing. Hi. What's up? इसको what's up? Okay. Anything और क्या है इसमें? Okay. General. Flawless Nitin. Nitin, at this I won't be able to hit 2k mark. This game. What is this? Okay, contribution. Unread growth marketing. Hello. Job info. Job info. Yeah, job info. Oh yeah, you can like guys, you can also post the job infos and everything here. Just a sec. Anything else? Hello, I was asking you to please open my website. Yeah, you can share the link. Okay, apnanotes.co.in. Okay. Let's open this apna notes.co.in. Okay, senior connect. UI looks great. Okay, notes 10th 12th science topper notes physics download. Open apna notes. Oh, that's nice. I like it. Okay. Rashi, yeah, but for an actual open source project, I would need to learn basic DevOps for automated deployments. CI/CD. Yeah, you need to understand GitHub pipelines like GitHub Actions. If you want a simple CI/CD pipeline, you can go with GitHub Actions. First, you need to learn Docker. Second, you need to learn GitHub Actions. That's it. Gumball. भाई ये UI Claude से बनाया है. अच्छा, okay. Eternity. So what's the progress? I am back. We have completed the. Where is it? Just a sec. Localhost. Yeah, we have completed the register and login page, and it is working. Basically, if test user 9 at the rate gmail.com and test user 9, so we are able to log in to the dashboard, and we have also made the dashboard protected. So logged out user cannot access dashboard. So we have implemented that. और क्या था? ओके, एनिमेशन की भाई प्लीज कनेक्ट हब के चैट को सही करो ना, मेरा उसमें चैट सेक्शन नहीं आ रहा है. अब एनिमेशन लाइक यू कैन एक बार ट्राई करो मेरे को टेक्स्ट करने का. एक बार लाइक मेरे प्रोफाइल में जाके मेरे को मैसेज करने की कोशिश करो. परचाई वाल अपलोडिंग वीडियो इन कनेक्टेड विद शोइंग नेटवर्क एरर ब्रो. अच्छा, कितने मिनट की वीडियो है? हाँ मैं करूँगा. आप एक बार एनिमेशन के लिए ट्राई टू टेक्स्ट मी इन कनेक्ट हब. विल सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. Kushagir, hello bhaiya. I have come after a long time. Hello Kushagir, welcome back to the stream. Eternity. Yeah, I was about to ask, did you secure the dashboard or no? Yeah, I secured the dashboard. A dashboard. Okay, परचाई 2 मिनट की है, 2 मिनट की है. अच्छा, लाइक यू नो रेट लिमिटिंग की वजह से थोड़ा मैंने काफ़ी स्ट्रिक्ट लगाया है. कुछ देर बाद ट्राई करो, शायद इसके लिए हो रहा है. देखना पड़ेगा क्या क्या इशू आ रहा है, क्या बग्स है. बग्स तो काफ़ी है, तो मैं भी जानता हूँ. लाइक डोमेन वगैरह जब खरीदेंगे तो बग्स को सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा हमें. भाई आप करो, मुझे नहीं शो हो रहा है. अच्छा ओके, लेट मी सी. 2 मिनट रिक्वेस्ट. ओके, रेट लिमिटिंग लगी, अभी नहीं कर सकता मैं कुछ. रेट लिमिटिंग लगा के रखा है ताकि सर्वर डाउन ना हो. वो करूँगा लाइक नेक्स्ट अपडेट में फिक्स करूँगा. Check Discord. I uploaded the hero section of the landing page of my project. Okay, where is Discord? Discord. Let's see. Discord. Where have you uploaded? Okay, Tarun codes. The private message bid for everyone. Oh, it looks nice. End-to-end communication available with no phone number, no email, no compromise on privacy. Looks nice. Alright everyone, I'll wrap up now. Thanks for joining the stream, and if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. I'll see you in the next stream. Until then, take care of yourself and keep learning and become the best version of yourself. Eternity, what's your typing speed? I don't know, man. Lokesh, bye everyone. And if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next stream.